Shout out everyone in here. In the meantime, I'm gonna upload this real quick. So bear with me. Bear with me, guys. I'm gonna upload the thumbnail real quick, and then from there we can get right into the live. You're just joining in, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna be reading the chats, guys, so everyone joining in. What's up, Lovro, Harry? Sorry for pronouncing your name wrong. What's up? What's up? Hey guys, I'm gonna get started very soon. I'm just uploading the thumbnail real quick, and then from there we can get started. So in the meantime, hit the like button because YouTube will be recommending it out to more people. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you for hitting the like. Shout out to everyone. Sorry guys, I'm editing this real quick. Hey, what's good? Bug trick links. What's good? What's good? In less than a minute, we're gonna get right into technical analysis, price predictions, crypto news, all that stuff. Can I start XRP? What do you mean by start? You mean short? Do you mean short? Is that what you mean? Guys, don't worry. I'll be back right now. Oh my God. Oh my life. I'm gonna put, let's see. Yeah, short. I wouldn't short Bitcoin. It's very risky right now. I'm gonna explain everything, guys. Trust me. I'm gonna explain everything. Just sit back, be patient. In the meantime, I'm trying to get everything set up here. It's a little complicated, not gonna lie. It's a little bit complicated. I'm trying to get everything settled on here. Hello, everyone. We're going to get right into the technical analysis price prediction in less than a minute. So, guys, I need you guys to hit the like button. Everyone in here, hit the like button. As you guys know, the weekly candle closes in about an hour. So, very important. I'm going to explain everything, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready. Put a 1 in the chat. I want to see who's here. Playlist. Okay. Save. I think everything's set. I'm new to this YouTube going streaming again. I'm used to going streaming on other platforms, but not YouTube. But shout out to everyone in here, guys. Trust me. Just stick around real quick. We'll get everything settled in real quick. Trust me. Okay, I think we're good, guys. We're good now. Okay. Hari is set. Okay, Sean is set. Okay. We're going to get started, guys. We're going to get started. Nana's Crypto World is started. Okay. Let's get started now. Let me one moment real quick. One moment. Sorry, guys. How's everyone doing? It is Sunday. Hopefully you guys are resting. Getting prepared for the markets tomorrow. Hello everyone. My name is this is DC Trading. You guys may know me as DC, you know, whatever. But today is July 30th. As you guys know, last week we had the FOMC meeting. Right? Shout out to everyone. Last week we had the FOMC meeting. Jerome Powell said what? We're raising interest rates by 25 basis points. He already said a few months ago that we should expect 2 more interest rate hikes in the month of, or in the year of 2023. We got one last week, or this week actually, early this week. So according to his plan, we have one more interest rate hike for the rest of 2023, which is very, very bullish because we have 3 more meetings. The next meeting is in September, and then the next one's October/November, and then December. So we have 3 more meetings left. It's going to get very interesting because Jerome Powell said what? 2 more interest rates for the rest of 2023. We just got one earlier this week, so now we should expect one more. Also, inflation, CPI numbers came in, right? CPI numbers came in for the month of June, and they came in at 4%, or actually 3%. It went from 4.1% to 3%, which is a great sign. But CPI, I mean, the core inflation numbers came in at 4.6%. The next CPI numbers that come out is in 3 weeks, so we need to prepare. We need to prepare. What do we need to see from the next, CPI numbers? Well, we need to pay attention to the core inflation. If core inflation goes from 4.6% to 4.14%, well, then that's a bullish signal for these crypto prices. Also, we have BRICS nation announcing a new currency. This new currency is going to wreck the DXY. Everything is leading towards a very bullish August, month for August. Towards the end of August, it should get very bullish, and we should see the peak for altcoins and Bitcoin prices for the rest of 2023. Because from here on out, after August passes, then I expect the markets to slow back down. Why? Because we still don't have crypto regulation. So we can't get a Bitcoin ETF approval just yet until we get crypto regulation. Until further notice, after August, we should expect a slow crypto market heading towards the end of 2023. But with that being said, let's look at the daily time frame for XRP. As you guys know, XRP is closing the daily and the weekly closes in about 39 minutes. We need to prepare, guys. Why? Because it's going to get very volatile. Yes, it has been very volatile for the past couple hours now. XRP managed to break all the way up to 73 cents, and then it dropped all the way back down to 68 cents. Currently, it's sitting around 70 cents. What did I tell you guys? Please do not trade crypto right now. It's very dangerous. It's gambling. Let's look at right here. What happened with XRP? The Bitcoin bulls and bears got wrecked, right? Remember, earlier today, I made a technical analysis video telling you guys, please do not trade. These people were going to get wrecked. Well, guys, we should expect some more downside for the XRP price. Do you guys see this? These people got liquidated right here. I do expect some more downside as the weekly candle comes to a close and we head into Sunday night. You're going to see a lot of these prices come back down even more. But once, Monday's around and the US markets open back up, I do expect a bounce. So the worst case scenario is XRP might actually come back down to what? 65, maybe 60 cents. Worst case scenario. Why? Because Bitcoin. What's happening with Bitcoin right now? It looks like it's going to break down to even lower prices. What specific price? As you guys can see, we have support. These 2 white lines represent support. This support right here is 28,500. We still haven't touched this, but there's a possibility, there's still some room for Bitcoin price to come back down to 28,500. So we need to prepare because tonight Bitcoin might come back down. Don't be surprised. If it goes to 25 or 28,500, well, then we should expect XRP to drop possibly to 67, maybe 65, maybe 60, because what's going to happen is we're going to be testing 28,500 tonight, possibly. So we need to prepare because, as you guys know, we always have wicks. Wicks is very normal in this market. So don't be surprised if Bitcoin briefly wicks below 28,500 to scare everyone. and we possibly come back down to 28, 200, 300. Also, if we do easily break down below this support, we do have strong support around 27,000, and we also have major support around 25,000, but I don't expect to come nowhere near here anytime soon unless we get crypto regulation. Once we get crypto regulation, understand short term, it's going to wreck the markets, right? It's going to wreck the markets. Why? Because 90% of these altcoins are going to get wrecked. Do you understand that? 90% of these altcoins are a pump and dump scheme. That's why I tell you guys, do your own research into these cryptocurrencies. You'll know which ones will survive, which ones won't. You'll know, guys. Just read the white papers, look at the projects. Are they actually working to solve a real world problem, or are they just here for a pump and dump? With that being said, tonight, guys, when the weekly candle closes in about 40 minutes, prepare yourself because we're going to see some downside for Bitcoin. It looks like there's some room for Bitcoin price to drop to 28,500. If it drops even more, understand, we may briefly wick to 28,200, 300. But if it gets very, very bearish, understand we do have strong support at 27,000 and we have major support around 25,000. With that being said, because I do believe Bitcoin will come back down to 28,500 tonight, XRP price will drop possibly to 60, 65 cents. So be prepared, guys. Don't be scared. Please do not trade cryptocurrencies. As I said, it's gambling at this point. Now, instead, what you guys should do is become long-term investors. Dollar cost average. Guys, if you guys are just joining in, make sure to hit the like button. If you're new, subscribe because I do daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price as well as Bitcoin. After we do technical analysis, and I'm going to tell you guys what's going to happen this upcoming week, then we're going to go over some crypto news, CBDCs, FedNow service, BRICS Nation, all that stuff, guys. Trust me. I'm going to be exposing the New World Order. It says it's 1:30 a.m. at the moment for me. Should I stay awake for a few hours more to buy some more XRP? That's up to you. That's up to you. Depends on where you want to buy XRP. Do you want to buy XRP at a low price? If you do, well then stick around for a few more hours because in less than 40 minutes, the daily and the weekly candle closes for all of cryptocurrency. So we should expect some volatility tonight. Okay, so what is my price prediction for this upcoming week? Well, I do think it's going to be bullish. I think we're going to bounce off the 60 cent area resistance or support, I should say. Why? Because Jerome Powell gave us a bullish FOMC meeting. On top of that, we have nothing really going on, right? Nothing bearish to bring the prices back down. With that being said, there's a high chance we see crypto recover. We see a bounce around 60, 65 cents. And then from there, we're going to make our way back up, all the way up to resistance, which is 82 cents right here. And then we also might be coming back all the way up to key resistance. This is very strong resistance. Looking at past data, 86 cents is a strong resistance that XRP needs to break through. If we can easily break through and close a few daily candles above here, well then our next key resistance would be $1.33. So for this upcoming week, I would say we're bullish, more bullish than bearish. As a result, I do think we're going to come back to 80 cents. As I've been saying, we're going to be fluctuating between 80 and 55 cents until August 22nd. August 22nd happens, then I expect these prices to start peaking for the year of 2023, meaning I do expect XRP to peak to $1.33 in August. So if you guys want to get in right now, dollar cost average, I'm not telling you guys to trade. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinion. As you guys can see, the MACD right now is telling us to sell on the daily time frame. Let's look on the 4-hour time frame. What do we see here? We see that it's telling us it just formed a red dot and it's telling us to sell. As I said, expect some volatility. Yes, the XRP price bounced, went for a buy. It wicked on this resistance. We got rejected. So then expect what? Some volatility tonight, because I expect the Bitcoin price to come back down to 28,500. As a result, Bitcoin price will drop and all these cryptocurrencies will follow, because Bitcoin dominance is at 49%, which is still very high. So whatever Bitcoin decides to do, crypto will follow, and I expect it to come back down to 28,500. You can see right here, guys, we got rejected on the 4-hour time frame. It is telling us to sell. Weekly candle closes in about 31 minutes. As you guys know, when the weekly candle closes and we form a new one, it gets very volatile. So I said, we can be coming down to 65 cents right here, guys. 65 cents is reasonable for XRP tonight. So if you want to get in, you might want to stick around for a few hours when the weekly candle closes, because it's going to get volatile. With that being said, yes, 4-hour is telling us to sell now. Daily time frame telling us to sell. But this upcoming week, the earliest we can see a recovery for the Bitcoin and the XRP price is by tomorrow. As you guys know, the last FOMC meeting we had, it took about a week to see a breakout. It took about a week. You guys remember, we were stuck. It was very boring for a whole week. And then next thing you know, it pumped 25% in 1 week. This can be the same case for crypto. As I said, I think I'm more bullish than bearish for this upcoming week. FOMC meeting was very bullish. Also, XRP is forming a falling wedge on the daily time frame, as you guys know, on an uptrend. This is bullish. Also, Bitcoin is forming this falling wedge or bull flag on an uptrend, which is also bullish. As you guys can see, also, selling volume has been very low. It looks like it's getting ready to cross for a buy. We're just waiting for the MACD indicator to tell us. But tonight, expect the price to drop back down. As you guys know, when the weekly candle closes, it gets volatile. So right here, it's been consolidating. Earlier today, it was moving a lot. So when this closes in about 30 minutes, I expect it to drop back down, test this, and then we're going to see some buying pressure. People will start buying here, and then we're going to see a recovery by tomorrow. And then hopefully this upcoming week, we break through 30,000 and head to 31,000. 31,000 is key resistance. That is very strong resistance. How do you guys know? Well, because look at right here. What happened right here? XRP won the lawsuit against the SEC. XRP jumped 75%, but Bitcoin managed to only wick above 31,000 briefly and then went back down, got rejected. So it's clear as day. Bitcoin has strong resistance here, 31,000. So this upcoming week, I mean, best case scenario is we come to 31,000, get rejected, consolidate once again, right here between 31 and 30,000 until August 22nd. And then once August 22nd comes here, then we're going to see a massive pump to 40K. Massive pump to 40K, guys. As you guys can see, look here, the MACD on the daily time frame is telling us is getting ready to eventually reverse. We're waiting for the signal. We're waiting for the green dot. It looks like it's starting to switch. Looking at the weekly time frame, what do we see here? Right now, it doesn't know what it wants to do. It's a 50-50 on the weekly time frame. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, what do we see here? Also a 50-50 here. So I do expect the Bitcoin price to drop back down to 28,500 tonight. That's why I'm trying to warn as many people as possible today so you guys won't get wrecked. Please do not trade crypto. Just wait for this massive move tonight where we're going to drop to 28,500. We may even wick below 28,500. As you guys know, the crypto market always manages to wick. As you guys can see, look at right here. 30,000 was strong support, and eventually we did break through. We wicked eventually right here, but then we recovered back up. Expect that to happen with Bitcoin tonight as well. We're going to be testing 28,500. It may even wick briefly and then come back up. This is your chance, guys, to get in if you want. a dollar cost average. That's what I've been telling you guys. Please dollar cost average. Dollar cost averaging is your best friend because you understand crypto bull market is around the corner. We had the Bitcoin halving, right? Bitcoin halvings in 2024, April. What else? Crypto regulation. Crypto regulation is around the corner. By the end of 2023, we should have crypto regulation in America. And as you guys know, I predicted once we get crypto regulation by the end of 2023, we're going to get Bitcoin ETFs. So the BlackRock, all these institutions that apply for a Bitcoin ETF, they're going to get approved right after we get crypto regulation. Things are very bullish heading into 2024. That's why I'm telling you, be patient, understand. Crypto bull market is around the corner, less than a year or two away. So please do not be trading crypto right now unless you are an expert, you have, been in the game for a while and you understand how the price moves. It says, when will 65 occur tonight? 65, there's a good chance. It's not guaranteed, guys. Nothing is guaranteed in this market. This is just a scenario. As you guys can see, earlier today, the Bitcoin or the XRP price wicked to 73 cents, came back down, got rejected, and it went back down to 68 cents. Right now, it's currently at 70 cents. The weekly candle closes in about 25 minutes. Usually what happens when the weekly candle closes, when it forms the new candle, we see a lot of volatility. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. What happened here? As you guys can see, well, in the morning it was going for a buy because it went from 68,000 or 68 cents all the way up to 73 cents. Now it's selling, guys. Red dot just forming the MACD on the 4-hour time frame. It just got rejected right here. So it's going for a sell. It's recovering. I expect XRP to drop once the weekly candle opens to what? 65 cents by tonight. So make sure, guys, hit the like button, share this with family, friends, so they understand there's going to be a great shakeout. Yes, guys, there's going to be a great shakeout in the crypto market for 2023. What do I mean? Well, what did I tell you guys? I expect the Bitcoin price to what? Pump, right? I expect by August 22nd, guys, Bitcoin price, is going to consolidate in the meantime. When August 22nd is here, it's going to pump massively to 40K. Why is it going to pump massively to 40K? Because of BRICS Nation, right? BRICS Nation. What happened? Well, BRICS Nation is having a summit in South Africa on August 22nd. Why is this very important? Well, a new currency is going to be announced, and this currency is going to be pegged to gold in particular. Do you understand? Every single country uses the US dollar. Well, BRICS consists of Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and many other countries. They are forming together to de-dollarize the US dollar. Because of that, they're announcing this new currency. It's obviously going to get affected because they're no longer going to be using the US dollar. Yes. You know what happens? You know what's going to happen? It's going to have a shock to the DXY. What's happening with the DXY right now? Overall, we are seeing a downtrend. As you guys can see, we are seeing a downtrend. Right now, earlier this week, it actually broke key support and it broke down below 100. So right now it's recovering, but it won't last very long, guys. Why? Because a lot of countries are de-dollarizing the US dollar. They're no longer using it. So that means its strength is going to get weaker because of that, especially when they announce the new currency. It's going to shock the US dollar, and as a result, we should expect some more downside. And there's a big correlation between what? There's a big correlation between the DXY and the Bitcoin price, right? As the Bitcoin price gets stronger, the DXY gets weaker. So if I'm predicting the DXY gets weaker because of BRICS Nation, what's going to happen with the Bitcoin price? It's going to go even higher. The peak for Bitcoin will be at 40,000. As a result, altcoins will follow, and we're going to see the peak for these altcoins and Bitcoin in August. So August will be the most bullish for cryptocurrency in the year of 2023. But understand, it's not over, guys. It's not over. And what do I mean by that? Well, we should expect a big correction. Do you understand? Bitcoin at 40K. Everyone's going to be so excited. They're going to be so happy. They're going to be saying, we're in a crypto bull run. We're going to go to 50K. We're going to go to 60K. The truth is, no, guys. The peak for Bitcoin will be 40K. Why? Because you understand. Do you understand? Crypto regulation is still not here in America. Until we get it, we should not expect these prices to pump. And understand, I'm predicting by 2023, the end of 2023, we should get crypto regulation in America. Long term, super bullish. Why? Because now these crypto firms can come back to the US and start innovating with crypto. Also, a lot of these companies are not going to have to worry about the SEC on their back. But do you understand, short term, this is going to wreck the crypto market. We're going to see a big dump in the crypto market. Why? Because half of these altcoins, actually more than half of these altcoins, I'm talking about 90% of altcoins will be extinct. They will get wrecked. Why? Because most of these altcoins are a pump and dump scheme. So you need to understand they won't survive because of crypto regulation. As a result, short term, this will bring the price of Bitcoin back down to 25,000. And that's going to be your last chance to enter at a great price. That's why I tell you guys, please do not trade crypto. It's going to get very volatile. Instead, what we should be doing is dollar cost averaging between $40,000 and $25,000. Do you guys understand that? With that being said, guys, put a 1 if you understand what I'm talking about. Put a 1 if you understand. I want to see. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. I go live every single day. Also, I make daily technical analysis and price prediction for Bitcoin and XRP. I'm going to get a drink of water real quick. Ooh, this is hot. Shout out to everyone in here, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Just get prepared because the weekly candle closes very, very soon. We need to prepare. Nobody with the 1, you understand? Okay. Okay. That's great. That is great. Woo, these are hot. Oh. So, now that we talked about that, the great shakeout, now we're going to talk about CBDCs FedNow service. What is this new agenda, the new world order that all countries are going to enforce on the citizens? Well, as you guys know, the whole world, not just America, is transitioning to a new financial system. What is this new financial system? CBDC, blockchain, crypto. Everything will be on the internet. By the end of 2023, you guys need to prepare. America will be the last. You still have some time. You have about 7 years to prepare for this. But I'm telling you guys, the longer you guys wait, the more money you're losing. So, with that being said, let's look at this article here. Study shows 130 countries exploring central bank digital currencies. What is this telling us? Well, it looks like it is telling us 98% of the global economy or GDP is doing research into CBDCs. Why are they? Because sooner or later, they're going to enforce it on America and all other countries. Why is that? Because they have full control. They'll be able to have direct access to the citizens. Also, they'll be able to manage all the money. They'll be able to see where everything is going. As you guys can see, look at Brazil CBDC. It contains code that can freeze or reduce funds. And this is why I'm telling you guys, CBDCs is not going anywhere. No one will be able to stop it. But what you can do is prepare. How can you prepare for CBDCs? By investing in cryptocurrency. Do you guys understand? CBDC is a form of crypto. Central bank digital currency. That's what CBDC stands for. They're both digital currencies, both used on the blockchain, both instant payment, never sleeps. The only difference is CBDC is centralized. It's in its name. And crypto is decentralized. That's why the government hates crypto. But do you understand? They cannot ban crypto, because if they ban crypto, that means they won't be able to use CBDCs. As I said, CBDC is a form of crypto. That's why they're giving crypto a bad name. That's why they tell you guys, stay away from Bitcoin, stay away from crypto. It's volatile, it's a scam, it's dangerous. Only criminals use it. But they tell you guys, yeah, you guys should embrace CBDCs. Why? Because the government runs it. So it's safe. Automatically, because the government runs it, it's safe. Guys, stop falling for the trap. They're over here trying to normalize CBDCs on the citizens. Look at what they're posting. Canadians up here willing to embrace CBDC. That does not make any sense. They're both cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is a crypto. CBDC is a crypto. Why are they embracing CBDCs? They're just trying to normalize it, guys. So stop falling for the trap, because the majority of you guys are going to be deceived by the government. I'm telling you, when the system finally crashes, the old system, and we transition to the new system, people are going to be panicking. They're going to say, what should we do? They're going to be listening to the government. And you know what they're going to say? We have a solution. Listen to us. Join CBDCs. And that's when the majority of you guys are going to fall for the trap. Do you guys want to give up your financial freedom? Do you understand? By you only having CBDCs, they can reduce or freeze your funds. Can I short XRP? I wouldn't short XRP right now. Shorting is not a good idea, especially with crypto. Very, very volatile right now. It can go either way. Don't get wrecked, guys. Just be patient. But you understand what this means. You guys need to wake up, realize this new world order is here. By 2030, they will enforce CBDCs on America and every single country. So we will never escape CBDCs. Everyone in this chat, everyone in the world, including myself, will have to sign up for CBDCs. But understand, if you invest in gold, silver, property, crypto, you will have more options, right? If you have more options, you have more freedom. Because if the government threatens you, and they threaten to freeze your account if you don't listen, or reduce your funds if you don't listen, well, the people that only have CBDCs, they're going to be stuck. They're going to have to listen to the government. Unlike the people that invest in gold, silver, crypto, property, they're not going to have to listen to them, because if they freeze their funds, they're going to say, oh, that's fine because I have money, gold, silver, crypto, property, so I can easily support my family. I won't have to worry about that. So you guys need to see the bigger picture here. They're trying to normalize cryptocurrency. They're trying to normalize it. By 2030, every single country will have CBDCs. They're already doing research into crypto, or into central bank digital currencies. 98% of the global economy. You guys need to wake up. But let me take a look right here. What is also happening? Well, July 24th was about like 6 days ago. Putin signed the digital ruble law, making CBDCs possible in Russia. So we have China, we have Russia having their CBDCs. Russia is going to be testing their final CBDC next month in August. I'm telling you guys, America will be the last country to enforce CBDCs on citizens. So stop believing politicians. Politicians are going to say the things that you guys want to hear because they want your vote. So please wake up. Don't listen to these politicians, because once they are elected, they're going to go on with their agenda. They're not going to care what you have to say. Also, because of BRICS Nation, eventually America will have to enforce CBDCs. Do you understand? BRICS Nation, there's rumors that this new currency is going to be a digital currency. And as you guys know, because the DXY is going to tank, it's not going to zero, but it is going to tank. And because of that, we should expect, right, the DXY to tank. And in order to, make the US dollar strong again, there's two scenarios that can happen. First, America can go to war, because usually every time America goes to war, the dollar gets stronger. Or the second scenario, they can just transition into CBDCs, the new financial system. If they want to compete and stay at the #1 spot, they need to transition from the traditional system into the new system. The new system, blockchain technology, crypto, CBDCs, everything on the internet. China's already fully on the internet. Russia's trying to get fully on the internet as well. BRICS Nation is trying to as well. So we have all these countries trying to get on the new system. America is lagging behind. And that's very, very bad, because the US dollar is going to get weaker and weaker by the day. Look at what has happened with the DXY. It has dropped. What has happened with the Bitcoin price? It has risen. So you guys need to understand, sooner or later, we're going to have to sign up for CBDCs. If we're eventually all going to have to sign up for CBDCs, we might as well invest in crypto. Why invest in crypto right now? Because it's very, very cheap. Crypto bull market's around the corner. I'm telling you guys, please do not be late. The people that are late into crypto and realize what is actually happening, it's going to be too late for them. And these prices are going to be well above 100K. Bitcoin's going to be well above 100K. Ethereum well above 10K. XRP well above $10. Cardano well above $5. All these crypto prices are going to be so high, you're not going to be able to be financially free. You're not going to be able to make generational wealth. The people that get in right now will be making generational wealth. And on top of that, they will have financial freedom. It is decentralized, right? Crypto is decentralized. You have authority over this currency. They cannot freeze or reduce your funds, right? They cannot freeze or reduce your funds like CBDCs. So please wake up, guys. Understand, they're trying to deceive you. How? By saying staying away from crypto, it's dangerous. Only scammers use it. Only criminals use it. But then again, they're over here promoting CBDCs. And soon they will enforce it. Right here, guys. FedNow service has been here since July 20th. 57 firms are using FedNow service. FedNow service is an instant payment structure, open 24/7, 365 days. Never sleeps. On the blockchain. Instant payment. Sounds very similar to cryptocurrency. So you guys need to understand, this is the first phase in introducing us to CBDCs. If you use JP Morgan Chase, Bank of New York Mellon, US Bank Corp, or Wells Fargo, understand you are using FedNow service indirectly, meaning you don't even know you're using it. Well, now you do. But with that being said, you might as well get in crypto, because eventually every single person on the planet will be using cryptocurrency at some point in time. So might as well get in while it's still very cheap. But with that said, yes, right now it looks like the XRP price is going to close the weekly candle around 70 cents. But I'm telling you guys, once the weekly candle closes and we form the new weekly candle, it's going to get very volatile, guys. I'm telling you. Nobody has a crystal ball. All of y'all doing the guessing game. Well, guys, it's proof at what they're doing. BRICS Nation is trying to de-dollarize the US dollar. What's happening right here? On Wednesday, they passed 2 crypto bills, right? 2 crypto regulatory bills have been passed by the United States House of Financial Services Committee that could finally provide some much needed regulatory clarity. So they're already passing bills on crypto. It's not going anywhere. Look at guys, FedNow service just launched. It uses blockchain technology. What else happened here? Look at study shows 130 countries exploring central bank digital currencies today. That's 98%. So how is this the guessing game? It's right in our face. We're just being distracted by social media, by celebrities, because they don't want us to know the truth. Look at right here also. With Russia. Russia signs a digital ruble law, making a CBDC possible in Russia. Why are all these countries doing research into CBDCs? China, Russia are already making CBDCs possible because they understand the new world order, the new agenda. Everything will be online. AI is here. CBDCs are here. Blockchain technology is here. Crypto's here. Why would they want to use this? Because they will be able to control the majority of people. They'll be able to track you. And on top of that, they have direct access and they can freeze or reduce your funds. So they have control over your financial freedom. That's why it's clear as day. Crypto is not going anywhere. This is the new agenda. They're just trying to cover it up as much as possible. So looking over here, guys, yes, banks are still in trouble. What happened on Friday? Heartland Tri-State Bank had to be closed down by the FDIC. Why? Because they were struggling with depositors. Depositors weren't depositing money. This has been going on since what? The beginning of 2023. What happened in the beginning of 2023? Silicon Valley Bank collapsed. Many other banks collapse. So we're still having problems. Banks are still struggling. So please do your research into banks because it's clear as day. Physical banks will go extinct. Everything will be online. I'm telling you guys, everything will be online. You see right now in your neighborhood, in your city, a lot of banks are closing down now. So with that being said, we also have some more banking news. Earlier this week, PacWest had to merge with Bank of California. Why? Because of the same reasons. Depositors weren't depositing. They were struggling. So yes, we do have a banking problem. Majority of these banks are going to go extinct. They're going to be insolvent. So we need to prepare, guys. That's what I said. There's going to be a great shakeout by the end of 2023. Great shakeout. But with that being said, let's look right here on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Earlier today, the XRP price managed to pump to 30 or to 73 cents, as you guys can see right here. But as you guys know, we got rejected. MACD is telling us to sell on the 4-hour time frame. Tonight, we should expect some downside, possibly to 65 cents. Before seeing XRP recover back up to 73, and eventually by the end of this upcoming week, we should be heading to 82 cents. Hopefully 86. We need to break through 86 cents in order to be very bullish. But shout out to everyone, guys. Make sure to hit the like button if you are, you've been here and you enjoyed everything. Also subscribe if you are new. I make daily technical analysis and price predictions on XRP and Ripple and Bitcoin every single day. So if you haven't checked out my recent video I did in the morning, go check it out right now. With that being said, MACD is telling us to sell right now on the 4-hour time frame. Usually when the weekly candle closes and it forms a new weekly candle, tonight we're going to see the markets be volatile. Bitcoin still has some room to drop back down to major support of 28,500. So get ready, guys. Any questions, guys? Any other questions? So overall, guys, I expect XRP to go as low as 65 cents today and then recover. And by the end of next week, we should be around 80 cents. Best case scenario, 86 cents. But now, as we approach August 22nd, it's going to get very bullish, and that's when I do see crypto peaking. All the prices are going to peak. So instead of waiting, dollar cost average, guys. When you dollar cost average, you're not missing out on anything. That's why I always tell people, become long-term investors, because you're not waiting. You're not predicting. Instead, you're getting in the markets and you're taking action. You're dollar cost averaging every week, every 2 weeks, every month, depending on your game plan. Everyone's plan is different. Everyone's financial situation is different. Hey guys, make sure to hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Let's get to 20 likes. Can we get a 20 likes, guys? But we have about how many? Oh, we have less than a minute, guys. Thanks again for the updates. Waiting for the XRP dip. Yep. As you guys know, the weekly candle closes in less than a minute. XRP weekly candle closes in less than a minute, guys. Get prepared. Let's look right here real quick. Let's look on the EMAs. We're going to be looking at the EMAs, guys, at the updates. It's about to close, guys. Less than 20 seconds. I'm going to get a water real quick. I'm back, everybody. As you guys know, the weekly candle just closed at 70 cents. Now we should expect the next couple hours to see the XRP price move along with the Bitcoin price. So just sit back and relax. All right, sit back and relax. Let it do its thing. With that being said, guys, I'm going to end it here. I just want to say, guys, just be careful doing trades on crypto. It can get very dangerous, very volatile. You can easily wreck your account. So please use risk management. Understand how the markets move and just be safe. No problem, Ronnie. But with that said, you guys have a great day, a great rest of your night. I might make a YouTube video today. But with that being said, you guys have a great night. Peace.